So, hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of March 2026. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So, let's start. Sorry. Let's see for your health what we have. देखना यूं बेरुखी से we have the Hanged Man. Okay, you guys are going to feel a little bit stuck when it comes to your health. Little bit stuck in the sense that whatever issues or whatever health problems you're facing, you might not be able to get the results of your medication or get the results of your work, whatever you are going to put in the effort and energy. You might not get the results immediately. So there are this energy of feeling stuck. Check out for body pains and vertigo for sure. There are very high chances of, if you guys already have a vertigo or cervical spondylitis kind of a thing or something pain like body pain related things, do not ignore them. You can go for alternative therapies like naturopathy, ayurveda. Now please don't take me as a medical practitioner or medical advisor or something. If it is resonating good, if you feel like you're connecting with me and my readings, you can take the advices, you can take the readings as per your convenience, but don't take me as a medical practitioner. If this is something severe, just go to a doctor. But if this is something that keeps on happening again and again, please you can check for other alternatives too, right? Like naturopathy, ayurveda, or panchkarma treatment kind of things that are going to help you a lot. So this is like your health will start improving, but it is going to be slow process. The guidance here is the Page of Wands. You have to keep yourself active. If you are going to keep yourself stuck in in long somewhere for a long time, you might get severe issues. Let's say for example you are doing a desk job or something and you have to sit for 6 to 7 hours a day. Try to take breaks, like after every hour you can take break of 5 to 10 minutes and walk, or you can do your work while walking, or you can do your calls while walking or something. Keep yourself active. Smart work is required instead of hard work here, and smart work here is like taking breaks in between and keeping yourself as active as you can from your side. Physical activity is important for you guys for this month. No, if you guys are already going to gym and doing everything, then of course it's not applicable for you. But for those of you who are like me, who keeps on sitting on their asses the whole day, working online and all that thing, you guys should take breaks in between and start walking and start doing small activities. Okay, my love. For those of you who are doing job for others or working for others, we have the Three of Wands. You guys are looking forward to have some kind of salary hike or some kind of promotion or some kind of maybe foreign land opportunities. You guys have to wait a little longer. It's like, again, you guys will be able to get some kind of positive news, good news in this regards, but you guys have to wait a little longer. Then you will be able to get it, especially if you are waiting for some kind of abroad opportunities. Keep on doing the good work from your side, keep on doing whatever you can from your side, and keep on moving forward. You will be able to achieve it someday. Not immediately, but eventually. The High Priestess is, until unless your work is done, until unless you are going to get what you want when it comes to your job or career opportunities, keep your mouth shut, your energy is low key, and keep on doing your work behind the scenes. You don't have to tell your plans, you don't have to express a lot or say a lot in excitement to anyone. I don't think so it's evil eye or anything. I don't believe in evil eye anymore, but some people do. But if you are one of those people who believe in evil eye or something, can be that also. But I do see that your plans might not work out if you are going to celebrate too early. So keep your mouth shut, energy is low key, and keep on doing your work behind the scenes. Whenever you are supposed to get this opportunity, when you are going to get it properly, then you can definitely celebrate and like tell others too. For those of you who are doing business or self employment, Six of Swords, you guys will be finally able to figure out the resolution or solution to a problem that you guys are facing in your business area. So if you guys were not able to get rid of some kind of problem, some kind of issues, you guys will be able to do that. For those of you, if your business is not working properly, it will start working out slowly but surely. It will start moving ahead, very slow but sure energies. Okay, there are certain kind of changes that you guys have to make in this department of your life, and things will start working out again slowly but surely. Guidance here is the Moon card. Don't be scared. If you're going to continuously feed the fears, feed the insecurities, feed this energy of, okay, maybe I will never be able to be successful in my life, in my business thing, maybe I will never be able to get rid of the problems permanently. So stop feeding your fears and your insecurities. It is advisable for you, it is highly recommended for you to have faith in yourself. If this is something that used to work out before and now it is like having some kind of blockage or challenges, it will start working out again. But if you are going to feed the fears continuously, if you are going to operate from the energies of lack, energies of again fear, then you might get stuck, you might not feel moving forward, right? So face the fears head on and keep moving forward. Okay, you will be able to figure it out. Okay, for those of you who are looking for new opportunities, whether it's for your job or for your business, whether it's a second like job, second business opportunity of freshers, so we have the Hierophant. You guys will be able to connect with a mentor or a guru or somebody, guru in the sense who is somebody who is an expert in your field. Through somebody's help, through an expert person, through a guide or a mentor, there are very good chances that you are going to be recommended for a job opportunity or a business opportunity. Somebody is going to help you to start to get your career started or restarted. Okay, it can be somebody that you worked with, it can be like you hiring someone like an expert or someone to help you out. But whatever it is, this is a father figure kind of energy, somebody who knows do how to deal with like your career stuff, the business or the career that you are in, and there are good chances you will be able to get a good opportunity. Guidance, Three of Swords. Just because it didn't work out before, it doesn't mean it's never going to work out for you, right? You might be feeling hurt or you might be feeling heartbroken over the fact that you tried multiple times in this department of your life and you never got what you wanted. Again, it doesn't mean that it's never going to work out for you. It's just a matter of you connecting with the right energies, and you will be able to get the opportunities that you deserve, opportunity or opportunities, whether it's a job thing or a business thing. Okay, honey. So for those of you who are continuously living in this fear that if we are going to connect with somebody, maybe they will not be able to help us, this is the time for you to connect with someone, actually, for you guys, Aries, because there is help around you. All you have to do is you have to find out the right match for yourself, the right person, the right energy that you can rely on, and you guys will be able to move forward. Get that opportunity. For your finances, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Your financial health is going to improve a lot this month. You guys are going to feel financially free, financially abundant, financially in this energy of making money out of money, like your saving or your investment plans are going to give you good amount of returns, and or you guys will be able to make more money than like the previous months or something. Whatever it is going to make you feel like finally I am on the right track, finally I'm able to make more money or make money from money. But this is a really good month for you guys to invest in long term plans, and if you have already invested, this is really good month for you to get the results of your investments in a very positive way. Awesome energy. you are going to feel financially happy. Okay, whether it's just the start of some saving plans or investment plans, or you getting some kind of good returns. Okay, guidance is the 10 of swords. Okay, so the worst is over. You might have learned it hard way when it comes to your finances. Never repeat the same kind of mistakes, never repeat the same kind of stupidities that you have repeated in the past, maybe multiple times. That was a lesson for you. Okay, let's say, like for me, the lesson here is that if I'm going to go for a lottery or something, if I'm going to go for quick money making schemes, it's never going to work out for me. It's karmically not aligned with me, and I tried multiple times, trust me, before. So don't punish yourself for things that you were not able to manage or handle previously, but now you know, so don't repeat the same kind of mistakes or stupidities again, right? Okay, so yeah, and please refrain from investing in some kind of quick money making schemes. You are going to have a lot of loss, not loss, lot of loss. So even if you are feeling like very tempted to the idea of investing your money in quick money making schemes, if you feel like, you can invest a very small amount, that's it. Don't be greedy, it's not going to work out, at least for this month. Okay, my love. So let me tell you one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. I'm not a career counselor, I'm not a medical practitioner, I'm not a financial advisor, nothing. I am just reading the cards and giving the guidances as per the cards only. Okay, if it resonates, if it makes sense, you can feel. If you feel from inside, you guys have a free will. You don't have to follow everything that I'm saying to you guys. And then simple the simple fact here is that you guys are responsible for your choices and your decisions, not any random tarot reader on YouTube. Okay, my love, keep that in mind, and then watch the videos. They are energy check-ins. It can just make you aware of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. That's it. That is what tarot is about. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.